Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and we got a freebie alert for you all. And listen, I know it's a holiday weekend, you got to get your shopping out the way, but whatever you do, just be safe about it and enjoy your weekend. All right, with that being said, we got an awesome freebie for you all to check out. I don't know how long it's going to be free, so make sure you go download ASAP. Cool? Now, the name of the watch face is called CF Rise. Even in the always on mode, it's going to look good. Now, for the most part, you are going to get the same design, the same look. You will be able to see your analog time at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on, it's full of info. Yes, it's a little busy, but it's still a nice analog watch face. But let's have a closer look at the watch face. Now, you're going to get an analog look. I do like the hands. I do like the smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Now, you are going to get your step info here, battery over here. You are going to get your digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. Your heart rate information and floors climb. Get the day of the week right here. You also get shortcuts to calendar, and you get your date. This watch face is full of info and full of shortcuts. So you can make a phone call, and that's going to take place in the center. I tap on the umbrella, I get my weather, and I could tap right here for my music. And of course, if you need to go tweak your watch face, you can go into your settings. It's right here. And then you got your traditional numbers, which I like. I thought that was very nice. And then you got like 10 through 50 going around the outside of the bezel of the watch. Not a bad look at all. You get Friday right here. What more can you ask for from a free watch face, right? And it's interactive, so if I tap here, I can get my step information. Same thing here, I'm able to get my battery. And of course, if I double tap in the center, I could change the color theme of the watch face in the center. So I thought the developer did a really good job with this. And considering that it is free, people download this one. Put this one in your lineup. It'll serve a purpose later on down the line. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.